Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we arrive at the gate. The fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. If you do have your cell phone handy, you can go ahead and use that at this time. But your laptops and other larger carry-on items do need to remain stowed until we arrive safely at the gate, and that seatbelt sign is turned off. If you're making a connection here in Boise, the connecting gate information is displayed on the monitors inside the terminal. Any checked bags can be claimed at our baggage claim, and now that we've landed. If you're already thinking about where to take off next, so if you do want to take a future flight with us, we have an amazing deal going on right now. That you can fly up and down the West Coast for as low as $59 each way, so take that into account. And I want to say on behalf of all the employees here at Alaska Airlines, it has been our privilege and pleasure to serve you this morning into the afternoon. You can always find us again at alaskaair.com. And we want to thank you for choosing us today, and enjoy the rest of your day.